हाँ ठीक है।
Hello students.
आराध्य किया।
So today I will solve one example on K-map. It is being asked in your examination. It is based on K-map, unit number 4. Just see here. This logic function is given to you f, a, b, c, d. It's a 4 variable function. Variable a, b, c and d. And min terms are given as sigma m 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, right? Now, he is asking to minimize this logic function using K-map and also to implement this using logic gate, AND or logic, right? It's very easy. See here, since it is a 4 variable function, so how many total boxes? Total 2 to the power 4, total 16 boxes, right? 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, total 16 boxes. Now do numbering as it is, the way I am showing here. Do the numbering and make a 4 variable K-map. Watch my earlier videos, right? Now I am going to fill these min terms. Min terms are 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, right? So when you fill this, it will become like, since it is sigma m, that means it is in sum of product form. Sigma m shows that this is in sum of product form and not the product of sum form, right? So 1 will be filled here instead of 0. Had it been post form, product of sum, right? Product of sum is represented by pi capital M, right? Had it been product of sum, then it would have been pi capital M here, right? Then I would have been filled it by zeros. But since it is in sum of product, that's why it is in sigma small m. That means sigma small m denotes the sum of product form. That means I will have to fill 1 here at these positions, right? Now fill these ones and start grouping. I have filled these one. Now start grouping. I told you multiple times, plenty of example I have solved. Tell me how to group these. First of all, see here, a clear-cut octet is forming here, right? Octet means group of 8 ones. Now these 3 ones are remaining. Tell me how to do this. First of all, make a pair of these 2 ones. This one is remaining, that means make another pair like this, right? Now tell me, will it be pair or will it be quad? See here, when you fold this K-map from in between, then these 2 1 will overlap like these 2 1. Overlap on these 2 1 and these 2 1 will overlap on these 2 1s. Am I right or not? So that means this basically, this and this forms one quad. That means group of 4 ones. Similarly, these 2 1 overlap with these 2 1. That means this is another quad, right? So finally you will get one octet and 2 quads. One quad is this, another quad is this. So for octet, I told you that octet eliminate total number of 3 variables. Octet will eliminate total number of 3 variables. So when you go from here to here vertically, a and b both variables will be eliminated. I am writing expression for this octet. Then here to here horizontally, when you go, d variable will eliminate, right? Because d is changing from d bar to d. So what is remaining? C bar. C bar is remaining because C bar is same. So expression for this squared octet is C bar. Now what is expression for this squared? This squared. What is expression for this squared? See here, C bar d bar and C d bar, and A bar b bar and A bar b. So vertically when you go, b will be eliminated because b is changing b bar to b, and horizontally C will be eliminated because C is changing C bar to C. So that means what is remaining? A bar and D bar, that is remaining because A bar and D bar are not changing for this square. So that's why A bar D bar is expression for quad number 2. Now tell me, what is the minimized expression for this quad, this lower quad, this one? What is the expression for this one? See here, A bar B and AB, what is changing? A variable is changing. What is remaining? B is remaining. So B from here and D bar from here, right? So what is expression for this lower quad? B bar, B and D bar, B D bar, right? So total minimized expression will be F A B C D will be equal to, tell me what is this, is C bar plus A bar D bar plus B D bar. That is answer, right? Now how to implement this? Very easy. So to implement this, first of all make one AND gate, right? Give B as input here, and at this point put D here and pass this D in inverter to make it D bar, right? So this is B, this is D bar. So what is output of this AND gate? B D bar, right? Now make another AND gate. Make another AND gate like this. This is A, pass in inverter to make it A bar. This is D, pass in another inverter to make it D bar, A bar, D bar. So this is A bar, this is D bar. So this is A bar, D bar. And C, pass this C in inverter, make it C bar, right? And pass all these input and sum in one OR gate. This is one OR gate, right? This is OR gate. So that means when you pass these all three in OR gate, you will get function F, right? Which will be equal to C bar from here, then A bar D bar from here, then B D bar from here. So that is logic implementation of this whole circuit. So this is 10 marks question. Very easy, just practice. I stop. Thanks.
छः मिनट 7 मिनट हुआ है।